Hi everyone. Here at Pioneer Electronics, we're super excited to announce the release of the Pioneer Marine Audio lineup, supporting everything from digital media receivers, wide remote control, amplifiers, speakers, subwoofers, and LED rings. For those of you out on the water wanting to enjoy the Pioneer audio experience, we've got the product for you. Let's have a look at the range. Let's take a look at the digital media receivers. Firstly, the new MVH MS410BT. This product supports a conformal coated PCB, which makes it more resilient in those damp conditions, perfect for boating. It also supports the new Pioneer Smart Sync app, giving you access to all your streaming services, AM/FM tuner, USB, auxiliary in, and dual RCA output. Next we have the MVH MS510BT. Supporting all the same features as the 410, this model adds triple RCA pre-out, as well as the ability to control the illumination effect to suit the interior of the boat. For those of you looking to hide away the digital media receiver somewhere in the boat, but still wanting to retain functionality, the CDME 300 wide remote control will give you that ability. Rated at IPX7, it's perfect for all wet weather conditions. For those of you wanting to add more power to your marine audio system, the GMME 400X4 will provide 75 RMS by 4 at 4 ohm, and the GMME 500X1 will provide 300 RMS by 1 at 4 ohm. Both models support a conformal coated PCB, making them more durable in those damp weather conditions. What's a marine audio system without an awesome set of speakers? The Pioneer Marine 6.5-inch range comes in both the classic design with a white grille, and also the sports design, which includes both a black and a white grille in the box. Perfectly partnered for our 4-channel amplifier, they're rated at 75 RMS and are also IPX7 rated, making them highly durable in all weather conditions. And for that custom look for your boat, add the optional 6.5-inch LED rings, which will illuminate the cone surface area in your choice of colours. Let's be honest, what's an audio system without a subwoofer? The new Pioneer Marine 10-inch subwoofer range comes in both a classic design with a white grille and also sports design with both black and white grills included in the box. Rated at a massive 300 RMS, they're perfectly partnered to our mono amplifier. Also IPX7 rated, meaning that they're highly durable in all weather conditions. Again, for that customised look to your boat, add the optional LED ring, which will illuminate the cone area of the speaker in your choice of colours. Thanks for checking out the Pioneer Marine Audio lineup. Don't miss out on enjoying the Pioneer Audio experience when you're out on the water. For further information, visit our website or your local Pioneer authorised marine audio dealer.